Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your climbing gym businesses. For example, you have a climbing gym business in where you can provide different facilities to your customer such as book a climb, membership plan as well as contactual support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your climbing gym businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of climbing gym business, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Pabbly Climbing Gym. We are thrilled to have you here ready to climb. Let's go. Please choose an option below. Here, if I'll choose the option membership, then it will provide me different plans that are available in this climbing gym business. Here you can see monthly plan, annual plan as well as day pass. If I'll click on monthly plan, then it will provide me all the details of monthly plan membership in climbing gym businesses. If I'll click on book climb, then they will respond me like this. See, awesome, let's get your climb booked. Please choose your preferred time slot for today or this week, while providing me 3 different time options such as 10 AM for open climb, 2 PM for beginners and 6 PM for advanced. If I'll click on 2 PM for beginners, see, it will respond to me, thank you for booking with Pabbly Climb Gym. Can't wait to see you on the wall. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and it will respond to your customer instantly. This bot will create it without requiring any coding skills and it will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credit allotted, your credit consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. While clicking on this, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the second is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you will click on this, then it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we will create a separate video for this. I provide the link of that video in the description box. Here you can also create multiple folders. In this section, you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond them here also. You don't have to open a WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts in which you can list of your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your chatbots or messages. And you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used to send bulk messages to many users at once. It is in using approved template. It is useful for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we will also provide one video of how to use AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get help, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. So I'll click on the flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see the total number of flows you are created, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this button plus add flow button. This is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for gym climbing business, so here I am giving the name. Here I write it. Now before starting this, at first I'll give you a quick recap about these two options such as image and action. Under the image you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We can use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. Let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The first is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can identify specific type of user messages and it can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in which you can create any type of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to any message of your customer. Now, in the next step, I am adding one welcome message for my customers so that whenever they send any message to my WhatsApp business account of climbing gym business, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one text button. Drag this message box here and entering the welcome message for my customer. Here I write it. At the end of this message, I also told my customer to please choose an option below. So here I am providing some options to my customer with the help of this plus add button. By clicking on this, it will provide me one enter text box where I wrote my first option as book a climb. The second option I will take as membership. And the third option I will take as support. After that, I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. So my flow is connected to my message. In the next step, when my customer wants to book a climb, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the details of book a climb in my climbing gym business. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, I also told my customer that please choose your preferred time slot for today or this week. Here I am providing some times for my customer with the help of this plus add button. By clicking on this, the first time I'll give them is 10 AM open climb. The second time I'll take is 2 PM beginners and the third time I'll take is 6 PM advanced. So here I provided some times to my customer so that they can choose their preferred time slot. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of book a climb to the circle where I wrote the message related to the booking slots. After that, when my customer click on any of these three buttons, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and write the thank you message for booking a slot in my climbing gym business. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of 10 AM to this message as well as this circle and this circle. My bot will respond to them same. That what I wrote here. Thank you for booking with Pabbly Climbing Gym. In the next step, when my customer wants to know the membership plan of my climbing gym business, then they will click on this button. So for this, my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding one another text button. drag this message box here. Here I'll arrange the message so every message box will visible to you perfectly. Here I am entering the membership plan of my customer. While said to them, please choose a plan below. So here I am adding some plans with the help of this plus add button. The first plan I'll write as monthly plan. The second plan I'll write as annual plan. And the third plan I'll write as day pass. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of membership to the message where I wrote the details regarding the plan that are available in my climbing gym business. After that, when my customer click on this monthly plan button, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the monthly plan details of my climbing gym business. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of monthly plan to the message where I wrote the details about the monthly plan that are providing by my climbing gym business. Now, if my customer wants to know about the annual plan details that are providing by my climbing gym business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the annual plan details that I am providing to my customer. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of annual plan to the message where I wrote the details. Now the third option is day pass. If my customer want a day pass, then they will click on this button and my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the details regarding the day pass that are available in my climbing gym business. Here I write it. Now I will connect the circle which are present in front of day pass to the message where I wrote the details. See, it will complete it. The third button is the support. When my customer wants to know the contactual details of my climbing gym business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and write the support details of my climbing gym business. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of support to the message where I write all the contactual details of my climbing gym business. Here our flow is completed. After that, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer. By sending any message in my WhatsApp business account of climbing gym business, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Pabbly Climbing Gym. While highlighting the name of my climbing gym, it is highlighted because I use the symbol asterisk before the name of my climbing gym. See, asterisk Pabbly Climbing Gym, asterisk. That's why the bot will send the name of my Pabbly Climbing Gym in a bold format. While it will providing me 3 different options below, such as book a climb, membership and support, that we were written here. Book a climb, membership, support. If I'll click on book a climb, then it will ask me for a preferred time according to my choice that we were written here. See, 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m. 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m. If I'll click on 6 p.m., then bot will respond to me like this. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me the contactual details of this climbing gym business. So basically, this is how our chatbot will create it, and this is how this bot will respond to your customer. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow without requiring any coding or programming skills. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.